Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sindhura Kamampati, Consultant Dermatologist, Care Hospital, High Tech City. So today let's talk about acne. Acne is a universal condition where pretty much of late people, right, starting from their early teens or even pre-teens like 10 or 11 years old to almost people who are like 40 or 50 years old, even they are getting acne because of latest lifestyles and dietary changes and preferences and all. So coming to treatment options for acne, usually we divide it into two sets. So one is like a medical treatment, the other is a procedural treatment. So coming to medical treatments, so acne usually start as a blockage of your pore, which leads to the formation of a comedone, which in general language we call it as a blackhead or a whitehead. And then they became inflamed and infected with bacteria, and that leads to a proper pus-filled or a red colored pimple or a pop-up as we call. Coming to the procedures that we do for acne, so the first and foremost thing is a comedone extraction. So comedones are nothing but blackheads and whiteheads. As long as they are there, they can always form a big infected pimple and lead to scars and spot formation. So whenever you have whiteheads and blackheads, it is always better to get them extracted. So blackheads can normally be extracted with a blackhead extractor, but whiteheads we have to usually create a small minute hole with a needle and then extract it. So once the extraction is done, whatever medication, creams and face washes that are given, they act much better. So after comedone extraction, the most common procedure that we do is chemical peel. So I think most of you must have heard of chemical peels. Usually people get scared when they hear about the term chemical and peel, because they feel that the skin gets peeled off and it gets very red and all. But usually the latest peels that we use, they tend to just help in reducing the acne forming tendency and also the spot formation. So the most common ingredients of peels that we use are salicylic acid, glycolic acid, azelaic acid, and in order to reduce the spots and all, sometimes we use other peels as well. And peels are usually done in conjunction with medical treatment, and they cannot be just done alone, because in conjunction with medical treatment they act much better, and usually people expect results after like one session or two sessions, but usually peels tend to act well after at least a minimum of 3 to 4 sessions, and because the skin gets primed by that time, and also it acts much better after each session. So usually the correct candidate for peel is people who are already on medical treatment, but then newer acne are still coming up, the pores are still getting clogged, the whiteheads and blackheads are still coming up, and also the acne are leaving very dark spots. So peels, especially salicylic acid peels, help in reducing the pore clogging tendency, and also a combination of salicylic acid with glycolic acid or azelaic acid helps reduce the spot forming tendency. So apart from peels and comedone extraction, the other procedures usually not very commonly done are lasers. So laser is usually done especially when the acne leaves dark or reddish spots. So a Q-switched Nd:YAG laser, or even sometimes IPL, that is intense pulsed light, can be done. But usually all these procedures are done once the medical treatment is started, and based on how the response is, we go ahead with these treatments to enhance the effect of medical treatment and for faster reduction of the sequelae of acne, that is the scars and spots. So I hope you understood how we treat acne, and my advice is for everybody to visit a dermatologist and take proper advice before starting any treatment for acne, because usually people sometimes tend to go to a medical store and get creams and use them, but most of the creams contain steroids, and eventually they end up aggravating the acne very severely. So please consult a dermatologist and take advice before treating your acne or before starting any treatment. Thank you.